There's this simplified idea about three brains. So picture three brains. And again, this is an oversimplified concept just to help you understand. So imagine three brain components in your young person's head. One part or one of that brain is responsible for instinctual response. And by instinctual response, I'm talking about that thing they need to survive. And it's designed to keep you safe. So whenever you find yourself in danger, whenever your young person find themselves in a threatening situation, that's the brain that is active. Then the second one is the emotional brain. So things like fear, motivation, worry, embarrassment. Then there's a third brain, or the third part of the brain, that is called the thinking or the logical brain. So when you want to answer the question, what next? What do I do in this situation? What actions should I take? When you want to analyze that mathematical equation or solve that problem, that is a part of the brain that is activated. Now, these three parts or these three brains are always competing for the one in charge. And sometimes it's the situation that determines what automatically is activated or what automatically takes charge. And so what you want to do as a parent is to master the art of identifying the brain that is at work, asking yourself, is this the best brain to give me the results that I want? Or is there anything I can do to activate the right brain that would give me the right result that I want? And then doing what it takes to get that result. And so we're going to be going through a number of steps that would help you achieve that result. And I've put that into something I call DDR, or D Doctor, Dr. DR. And the first step there is to detect. So you need to try to detect and to understand which of the brain is active in this situation. So if we go back to that example, you've just gotten the exam's results and the young person has failed awfully. As they see that result, typically what would happen is the instinctual brain, because what they are trying to do at that point is, am I safe? Am I in trouble? Is my future safe? That's the kind of questions that will be running through their mind. So at that point, it's survival, it's fight, it's flight, it's freeze. They're trying to get through that immediate situation. Any attempt to add pressure at that time is definitely not going to yield the result you want. So what you want to do is to create that emotional safety that would allow you to then lead them into the point where they can engage.